These are the new GKS 55 GCE, GKS 65 GCE and GKS 85G professional circular saws, and the guide rail system that's designed to suit them perfectly. Are you looking for a practical solution for long and straight cuts? The new Bosch guide rail system enables you to make precise and straight cuts of any length. You use the sturdy, high-quality FSN VEL professional connecting piece to quickly and easily connect the guide rails. The self-aligning connecting piece guarantees precise work, even with several rails. And thanks to the FSN WAN professional angle guide, which is also optimized to suit the guide rail system, you can align the guide rail on your workpiece at an accurate angle. Experience for yourself the new guide rail system and the new circular saws from Bosch. An unbeatable system, the fastest way to achieve a straight cut.